Tick. Good morning, children. Today we will start with the second topic, that is in career option physical education. That is, what are the different careers in physical education? And second topic is soft sports skills required in physical education and different careers. So today students will start with the topic career option in physical education. That is, what are the careers that is important, or what are the options of career in physical education. Like first one, teaching career in physical education. Okay, teaching career in physical education. In teaching career, it offers many rewards to the teachers, whether they are engaged in elementary schools, middle schools and senior secondary schools, colleges or universities. Second point, the career provides internal satisfaction. Which career? Teaching career provides internal satisfaction. There is better job security also in teaching career. Like elementary schools, that is from nursery to class 5. Then middle schools, that is from class 5 to class 8. And high schools, that is class 9 to 10th. And senior secondary schools, that is from 11th to 12th. Then colleges and universities. Next is coaching career in physical education. Coaching, it is also an traditional career in physical education field, a dual career as teaching and as a coach, whereas other desire solely to coach. This career also provides internal satisfaction. As we know that different types of coaches we used to keep for national and international matches, you must be knowing the different games and sports. We have different types of coaches. For example, kabaddi, we have kabaddi coach. Volleyball, we have volleyball coach. Then for cricket, we have cricket coaches. Like this, we have different types of coaches in different games. So better job security. There are many job opportunity are also available in state sports department and Sports Authority of India, that is SAI, in non-schooling setting. If the coaches, they are also appointed in different types of departments in sports, that is state sports Authority of India, that is SAI, non-schooling setting, etc. Then comes emerging careers in physical education. Emerging careers, there is a lot of emerging careers. Like first one, health related careers. Health related careers, what they have to do? The person is, they have to see the health and weight control clubs. They can open health and weight control clubs. As a physical education educator, massage expert, play city organizer, then athletic training. Then second one in this, administration related careers. In administrative related careers, we have the person can be a sports administrator, management of sports clubs and facility, then sports marketing and promotions. They have to look after all these things, the administrative related career. Then next one is Department of Physical Education. In Department of Physical Education also we have different posts. Like first one, Sports Department. This post of Director of Sports exists in almost every university of India. Then second one, AEO Sports or ADEO Sports. It is Assistant Director of Sports at the university level. Then District Sports Officer. Next comes Industrial Recreation. The work of an industrial recreator is a director is also employed by multinational and national companies to handle recreational and sports programs for employees. The purpose of such programs is the promotion of health and well-being of the employees so that they remain fit and productive. Next, the Director of Industrial Recreation is usually a qualified professional who schedules and makes arrangement for the activities, set up teams and oversees the competitions. Then third type of sports facility management. How to do? That is also a emerging sports. Work of a sports facility manager is sports facility manager teach exercise or classes or monitor individual workout, safety of individual, all that things is looked after by the manager. The next one is performance related career. We have different types of performance related career. First one is as a player. The person can choose himself to be as a player, a sports person. Such as, for example, Olympic, national, international level competitions, skilled sports persons has job chances in banks, railways, etc. The players. Next one is as a official. Officials, the person can be employed as umpires, referees, timekeepers and recorders, etc. in different types of national, international, state and different type of competitions. Next, they get in that rewards and awards also. Career in communication and media. Now, job chances in banks, railways, etc. The players. Next one is as a official. Officials, the person can be employed as umpires, referees, timekeepers and recorders, etc. in different types of national, international, state and different type of competitions. Next, they get in that rewards and awards also. Career in communication and media. Now, you can choose yourself to be a career in communication as well as in media. First one, sports journalism. Talent of writing becomes career of sports journalist in in magazines, newspapers, etc. Then sports photography. Sports photography is also a type of job the person can take. Sports photography with newspaper, magazine, sports magazine like Sports Star, Sports World, Sports Star Week, etc. Then book publication. Book publication also a person can choose self as a career. Physical education books, sports magazine books, etc. can be published by the person. The next one is sports broadcasting. Broadcast in radio and TV, regional cable TV, etc. The next one, book publication. Publication of textbook of physical education, sports and health education, etc. Then marketing. In marketing line, sales and sports goods, knowledge about equipments, maintenance or manufacture, etc. can be seen by the person who will choose as a career of marketing line. Next come sports industry. In sports industry, sports t-shirts, sports footwear, swimming suit, etc. can be made and can be sold. It is produced in sports industry. Next topic is soft skill required for career in physical education. What do you understand by soft skill? Soft skill are any skill or quality that can be classified as personality traits or habits. Interpersonal skills and communication skills are more specific categories of soft skill that many employees took for in job candidates. They are subjective qualities that cannot be reflected in your certificates. They are reflections of who you are a person. Then next, are you capable of being a leader? Can you resolve conflicts successfully? Do you communicate fluently with others, whether they are a higher authority or are working under you? These are the things which can clarify what is soft skill. What are the types of soft skill? First soft skill is communication skills. What do you understand by communication skills? Communication skills means how do you communicate with others? What kind of communication is there? Means communicating anything, when you deliver anything or communicate with the students or communicate well, can speak. A person who communicate well can speak her with his mind and explain his or her thoughts and opinions in such a way that listeners can clearly understand the points. This is known as communication skills. We can also say that speaking boldly and fluently to others must be learned if necessary. Find out their problems and come up with solutions which are mutually beneficial. This is communication skills. Next one is empathy. Second one is empathy. What do you understand by empathy? Empathy is different from, what do you call it as, empathy is different from sympathy, which is to feel sorry for others, or we can say that to emphasize with someone is to put ourselves in their place and understand their feelings. It is more than showing comparison. Empathy makes it easier to approach a problem from different perspectives, even those that they may not be our own, and thus simply the task of solving problem as well as meeting specific needs. That is known as empathy. Next come work ethics. Here work ethic means simply a moral belief. What kind of moral belief? In the importance and benefits of work. An individual with strong work ethics will usually demonstrate character traits such as honesty in performing his or her task, punctuality and respect towards the job. Next come team spirit. Here team spirit, being a player, is always advantageous, both for the team as well as for the individual too. It is also, team spirit is also means the people, when you productively work with other people, it means you can adjust with their wants and needs, respect their opinion while pitching in your own contribute your own share of work and help to make any venture a success, etc. Next come mentoring and coaching. It is also very important communication skill. When you are new in a job, it is likely that you will be assigned to an experienced person. That person will teach you what to do and how to do it. This is mentor. This mentor will have all the basic covered and can give you tips that you are strictly a part of the job description. Next, leadership qualities. Next one is, sixth point is leadership qualities. What are leadership qualities? Here, leadership qualities, a leader is not necessarily someone who owns the company or is the manager. Sometimes small and separate tasks come up and you might have to lead them. For example, you have to represent the school team at an international competition as the coach. In case you are the leader of the team, or you are appointed captain of the cricket teams. To such cases, the ability to lead others is determined by your passion, integrity, courage, etc., and focus and empathy. These qualities should be dominated parts of your personality, that is leadership qualities.